Just spent a whole bunch of time in the woodshed looking around to see if I had some material to work with and trying to get ideas on what to make. Sometimes I end up wasting a whole day just trying to find material to work with. As I'm getting into the middle of this wood, what worries me is I've got some knots. I'm getting into the heartwood here. You can see some stair checks going that way. I could cut this off and make a cane or a short walking stick, I'm sure. And I may end up doing that and getting rid of a knot. But I've got these. They go kind of deep, and I'm just not sure what it's going to be like inside there. This also has me a little bit concerned, is that I need about 3 inches of thickness, and I'm pushing it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and keep on rounding this out and see. Maybe I can get up here, maybe I can get a handle of a cane handle or something out of that. I'll make something out of it one way or another. I've been working on this piece for quite a while, trying to get rid of the little cracks, but the cracks are still there, and some really deep bark pockets around the knots. Cracks running all the way through. I think I've been just making a glorified piece of firewood. Kind of disappointed, but I think I'm going to put it aside for now and get a different piece of wood.